Hello and welcome to Artistically. Okay, in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at the human stylizer function. Okay, so in order to find this particular feature we need to go to create design. Okay, so when you're in Artistically for the first time, the dashboard, select create design, select the fast AI image designer. And once you select the fast AI image designer, you will see we have now entered, and the first tab we are on is the AI image designer just here. Okay, so we need to go across and we want to go to the AI design assistance. Okay, once you select that, you will see step 1, select a category, and second to last as you go along the row you'll see something called, well, the feature called a human stylize. Okay, this will allow you to specifically stylize human images. Okay, human style images. So once I select human stylizer, you will see step 2 has now appeared. Okay, and it's now going to instruct you to upload an image to stylize it. So you've got a couple of options now in order to do that. Okay, so you can actually drag and drop or browse your own desktop or device in order to upload that directly, or alternatively, if you already created an image prior using Artistically, where it would be located in the personal design section, then you can simply select choose from library. So I'll go ahead and select something I've created earlier on, and let's say I've got a couple of images here of humans. Let's go for this gentleman here. Okay, so I've got this gentleman here that's now being uploaded, and as I scroll down you'll see the new section has appeared where I can actually select the aspect ratio. Okay, currently it's on default, but I can select 1 by 1, 16 by 9, or 9 by 16. So this is predominantly, you know, a square shape, perfect for like ads, Facebook, etc, etc. And then 16 by 9 would be great for YouTube style videos, and then you have 9 by 16 for more mobile responsive type devices. Okay, so I'm going to stick with 1 by 1, and here you can see how would you like to stylize your image. And there's something here you can just see example, convert this into a watercolor painting, charcoal sketch, etc, etc. So let's just say convert this image into a sketch. Okay, as an example. Once I select that, I'm going to select stylize image, and it will go redirect us back to the personal design section where it is now being processed. So while we allow that to happen, let's go and try another one. I'm going to go choose from the library. Let's go and take this gentleman here. Okay, let's do 1 by 1. Okay, and we'll try another style. So convert this image into a watercolor picture. Okay, and stylize. So here we have the previous one that we had created, okay, or we had stylized. So convert this image into a sketch, and you can see that was that gentleman there is now being converted into a sketch design using the human stylizer design function. Okay, so you can just imagine it's completely up to you what kind of styles you want to use. Just once you come to the library and you put any image in there, in this section, even the charcoal sketch, etc. And sometimes what you can do, if you want some more styles, just come to the AI Illustrator, and maybe, you know, you can have a little look here and see which one might be applicable, you know, the kind of style that you want. So let's just say in pastel oil painting, and I can come back to there we go. Let's go to choose a library. Let's go for this gentleman here. This would be, okay, convert this into a pastel oil painting. Okay, and I'll do 1 by 1, stylize the image. And here we have the previous one that we had stylized. Okay, convert this image into a watercolor picture, and you can see that was the gentleman there. Really nice, very powerful, beautiful conversion done, well, relatively easy using the human stylizer function. And let's see, the other one has now been processed, and remember, convert this into an impasto oil painting, and you can see that has been generated very, very quickly. So you can see the different styles. Like now let's have another look. So let's see, maybe let's go for something vintage. Okay, something a little bit more just, you know, it doesn't hurt to try different styles and just see how it appears, especially if you're doing this for personal projects or even client projects. Okay, convert this into a creepy vintage. Okay, and let's see how it may appear. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll give that a few moments to process. However, when you are using this function, remember we go to create design section, select the fast AI image designer, and you're going to use the main function here, the AI design agent. And under step 1, you will find that particular feature called human stylizer, and you're going to then follow step number 2, and then you can then style it. Really simple couple of steps there in order to stylize those images, and we'll give that again a few moments and we shall return. And let's actually have a look. So yeah, we've seen some other sketches that have been done before. You can see that one there. Okay, these ones are the ones we just done now. Really nice, very beautiful, but you can just see the ease of it. And you know, if you're creating portrait photos, any kind of style, isn't it, that you can actually use this on you know, your online digital media, or even if it's for print on demand or e-commerce. This is, you know, just a brilliant way of stylizing those human pictures. Just imagine you know, your clients with wedding photos or any kind of photography, family photos, whatever image you want to stylize and you want to put it on a, you know, a canvas, etc., for ready for print on demand. You can obviously do that, and then even with this we can scale them up if we want to, that 300 dpi limit, just to even boost the quality of the image itself. Okay, and there we have that design, that creepy vintage. Look, you can see that. So just, you know, it actually looks like a kind of movie promotional graphic right there. So you can just see the complete power of using the stylizer function. And that is how you would use the human stylizer using the AI design assistance within the fast AI image designer. So hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial, and go ahead now and start stylizing your own human images.